Hello guys, on today's video I'm going to be teaching you the four main phases every traders must know. So if you're a trader, you must know these phases. If you don't know these phases, you are not a trader yet. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, please kindly click on the subscription button to join the family, and don't forget to like and share to your friends as well. So the market doesn't move randomly. It moves in a phase and it repeats over time again and again. These phases help you to understand where you are and what to do next. So these phases are, first of all, we have uh, the accumulation phase, the accumulation phase. So this is also called the smart money loading zone. This is where the smart money are loading. So this is accumulation phase. Price is accumulating at this particular zones. So you figure out price accumulating. None of the highs are broken. None of the lows. None of the highs. None of the lows. None of the highs. None of the lows are being broken. So this is what we call accumulation phase. So in this box, price is buying and price is selling. None of the highs or lows are being broken. This is what we call accumulation phase. Price is accumulating here. This is it, price accumulating at this particular zones. Notice price going up, going down. So in here, we're having price touching, none of the highs have been broken, none of the lows have been broken. This is what they call accumulation phase. So this is when the big players are always entering quietly. So price moves sideways, you can see price accumulating. And then the retailers, this is where the retailers are always being trapped. So they are always being faked out. So that is why you need to know how to use the accumulation phase. So then next we have the markup. So this markup is giving you an uptrend move, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. This is what markup price is actually going up. Let me write it out. Markup. This is markup. So this is markup phase. Sorry. So this is markup phase. So telling that price is actually heading back up. You need to know when price is going up, price keep on breaking the highs, break out of the range. You notice price has broken out of the range, then started producing you higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. Then momentum is high. You can see the momentum of the market is high. This is when you shouldn't enter immediately price breakout. You should enter when price has a trace on this accumulation phrase, because when you are combining it together, you need to wait when price have already breaks and then retrace on it. This is when you'll be entering and then take following the uptrend market, following the markup. So then the next we're having the distribution phase. We're having the distribution phase. We're having the distribution phase. So this distribution phase, this is where smart money are offloading. This is where the smart money are offloading. You notice price are slowly down. And then this is it. Price on a sideways movement again. Price is going on a sideways movement again. This is called distribution phase. Price is accumulating at the top here again, distributing at this particular key zone. This is when you know that price is weakening. So after accumulation, we have the markup phase, which is your uptrend. And then when price come to the highest level, it starts what? Distributing, giving you a distribution phase. And this is when the big players are offloading. This is where the big players are offloading TPs. Everybody's taking their TPs at this particular zones. Those ones that take an entry when price breaker retrace, they are going to be taking TP at this particular zones. So this is your distribution phase. And we have the next, which is your markdown phase. We're having price creating a lower lows, a lower highs, a lower lows, a lower highs, a lower lows. This is what's called a markdown phase. This is called a markdown phase. This is called a markdown phase. Notice price going slowly sloping to the downward side. Then this is called a markdown phase, telling that the sellers are in the market, price is pushing down. So those of us that are entering immediately, price has given you a distribution phase, price breakout. You enter when price have already is retracing. Don't enter immediately. You see this massive move buying momentum. You need to wait for price to retrace on these particular zones, give you a confirmation, then you join the sellers straight down, taking your TP at this accumulation phase again. Because once price should get to this accumulation phase, same thing will happen. And if price should break this accumulation phase, it's giving you a continuation of the markdown, which is your what? Your downtrend. Shit. So as a trader, you need to understand these four market phase, which I just explained to you. The accumulation phase, the markup phase, the distribution phase, and the markdown phase. It will make you understand the market very easily and know the direction of the market. All right. So this is it, guys. I believe you have understand something new. If especially those of us that are new to the markets to trading, I believe you have understand something new in the market. All right. So this is it, guys. If you are new to my channel, kindly click on the subscription button and don't forget to like and share to your friends as well. All right. Take care and bye for now.